Hey, this is Karen from Oklahoma City. I decided to take the Drone Command Live training because I'm struggling with the business side of things. I know how to fly a drone. I haven't done it on my license yet, but so I was struggling with the business aspect, and the looked like this covered a lot of the items I was looking for, such as marketing and how to run your drone business. Um, Biggest takeaway so far is just looking at the different types of businesses that you can get into with the drone. Um, so I knew about the real estate side of things, but thinking about, doing cell tower inspections, those kind of things was a little bit eye-opening. So doing this virtually, it helps to just be at home and be able to take care of business on those breaks. And for anybody that's on the fence about attending this, I'd highly recommend it because I've just in the first day gotten an incredible amount of information out of it. Um, Probably the marketing is the most valuable lesson I've taken away so far. Looking at just looking at things strategically instead of tactically is a different way of looking at things than I had before. I really didn't know anything about marketing to begin with. Um, and if I had to describe Damon and Diego, I'd just say full of energy. Those guys are incredible. Lots of energy going forward, and they keep things moving and interesting. So